Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to start the new topic, that is area. Open your page number 200. What is area, children? The measure of the surface enclosed by a plane closed figure is called its area. Let's take an example. There are two plots, plot 1 and plot 2. Now, children, we have to compare which has more area. So to know which plot encloses more area, we need to know the exact areas of these two plots. Okay, now what will you do? You will fill the plots using the square tiles. And children, now when we are filling the square tiles, suppose the plot 1 covers 8 tiles. Okay, so it's 1 square unit tile. So the total area will be 80 square units. Now when we fill square tiles in plot 2, so suppose it is taking 9 tiles. Okay, so its area will be 9 square unit. Now children, we can compare this plot 1 and plot 2. So as plot 2 is having 9 square unit area, so its area is more than plot 1. So children, what is the area? The measure of the surface enclosed by a plane closed surface is called its area. Now children, what is unit of area? Children, unit of area is square unit. Suppose children, there is a square and the side of the square is 1 centimeter. Then its area will be, the unit will be in the square centimeter. Okay. Suppose the side will be in meter. Then answer will come in square meter. Okay. Children, now when we have to find the area of a rectangle, then there is a formula. We have to multiply its length and breadth. Okay. And the unit will be square unit. It means if the length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter, then answer will be in square centimeter. If the length and breadth are in meters, then answer will come in square meter. Now children, if we have to find the length of the rectangle and area and breadth are given, then you need to divide area by breadth in order to get the length of the rectangle. And now children, when you have to find the breadth of the rectangle, then we have to divide area of the rectangle by its length. Then we will get the breadth of the rectangle. Now we are coming to area of a square. Children, as we know, the length and breadth of a square are same. So at the place of breadth, you can write the length also. So as the area of a square, you can write length into length. That is 2 times length you will multiply. Okay, length into length and answer will be in square unit. Again children, if the length is given in meter, answer will be in square meter. If the length is in centimeter, answer will be in square centimeter. It will be more clear children when we will do some questions. So now come to exercise 12b. Here in exercise 12b, fill the missing measurement of each rectangle. So here is the table given children. In question number A, length is given 8 centimeter, breadth is given 6 centimeter and we have to find the area of the rectangle. So children, let's solve it. Children, as we know, area of a rectangle equals to length into breadth square unit. So children, it is a rectangle. The length is given 8 centimeter and the breadth is given 6 centimeter. And we have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay. So we will use the formula length into breadth. So length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. To 8 6 is 48 square centimeter. Okay, it will be always square unit. So we will write square centimeter. Okay, as both length and breadth are in centimeters, no? So answer will be square centimeter. Moving to question number B. Here children, breadth is given 15 centimeter and area is given 240 square centimeter and you have to find the length of the rectangle. Children, This is our rectangle. Area is 240 square centimeter. Length we don't know, so I have written here question mark. And breadth is 15 centimeter. Now children, to find the length of a rectangle, you know the formula. You will divide area of the rectangle by its breadth. So 240 divided by 15. Now children, let's divide in the rough column. So when you divide children, we get the 16. Okay. So here 16 centimeter will be the answer. The length of a rectangle 16 centimeter. Now moving to question number C. Here length is given 11 meter and breadth is given 500 centimeter and we have to find area of the rectangle. Children, you may look at here. Here the length is given in meter but breadth is given in centimeter. So these two should be always same unit. Okay. So we need to change the breadth into meter. So right here breadth equals to 500 centimeter. Now children, as you know, when we convert centimeter into meter, we divide by, yes, 100. So you divide it by 100. So 500 divided by 100, that is your 5. Now this will be changed into meter. Now children, we have length is 11 meter and breadth is 5 meter. Now to find the area of rectangle, length into breadth square unit, 11 into 5, that is your 55 square meter. I hope you are getting children. At the place of length, write here 11. At the place of breadth, write here 5. So 11 5s are 55 square meter. Moving to question number D children. Here length is given 150 centimeter and breadth is given 100 centimeter. And we have to find the area of the rectangle. Children, you may look here. It's given 150 centimeter. So we can convert this centimeter into its bigger unit. That is meter. Because it is 150, no? As you know, 100 centimeter means 1 meter. So you can change this centimeter into bigger unit, that is meter. So here and here we will change. So now convert this length 150 centimeter into meter by dividing, yes, by 100. Now children, when you divide it by 100, you know there are 2 zeros. So from the right hand side, count here 2 digits and put here a point. So it will be 1.50 meter. Now you convert breadth into meter. So breadth is your 100 centimeter. You divide it by 100 to change into meter. So we are getting, yes, 100 ones are 100, 1. So breadth will be 1 meter. Now children, both are having same unit, meter, meter. Now you can find the area of a rectangle. Length into breadth square unit. Length is your 1.5 and breadth is your 1. So 1.5 into 1, that is your 1.5 square meter, because both are in meter, no? Now moving to question number 2. Find the area of the square whose side is given 8 centimeter, 91 centimeter, 2 meter and 16 meter. So children, let's solve the first question. So find the area of a square whose side is 8 centimeter. Area of a square, as you know children, side into side square unit. Okay, because both length and breadth are same. So you can write side into side. Okay. So both you multiply this length into breadth, that is 8 into 8. So you write here 8 into 8 and the unit will be square unit, that is your square centimeter. Because side is given in centimeter, so square centimeter. So 8 8 is 64 square centimeter answer. Similarly children, in question number B, side is given your 16 meter. In question number D, side is given 16 meter. So area of a square again, side into side, square unit. So again you multiply this side into side, that is 16 into 16 and unit will be square unit. So it is your meter, no? So square meter. Okay. 16 into 16, 256 You just multiply it and answer will come in square meter. So area of a square will be 256 square meter. Now children, it's time for your homework. You will do exercise 12B, question number 1 and question number 2 in your classwork copy. Okay? So these two questions, children, do in your classwork copy. Now in next class, we will do next sums. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.